Well, welcome back, guys. As you saw in the last video, got the radiator out. Now we're doing the rest. So we are back. We got the radiator out last video. We got the spark plug wires off. We got all that off. We needed to remove the radiator so we could get to the coil, the thermostat, and the water pump. So we are going to take some, real quick, we're going to take some snapshots with the phone of the layout, the belt layout, and everything. And then we are going to, I'm not removing the coil pack yet. I mean the rotor. We're going to remove the thermostat housing, this hose, the water pump, and get all of that off. We are also going to try and pull the alternator to figure out why it is so loose and what bracket is either missing or broken. And then we're going to get the belts off because we have all new belts as well. It looks like we have 3 belts. No, we have 3 belts. I ordered 2. We have 3. We have a power steering pump, an alternator, and then an AC belt. So I will need to get 1 more belt. Yay. Okay, so let's start disassembling. Definitely tell this thing has not been off in a couple of years. And we broke 1 bolt off. We broke 1 bolt off in there, so we're gonna have to try to extract it. But I think the head came off, so I don't think it's threaded. No, it's not threaded. I didn't think so. No, it's not. But like all these hoses are gone, corroded. That goes there. Oh my god. Giant piece of, look at that. Oh, that's actually disgusting. All that stuff's being replaced. This thermostat filled with stuff. The thermostat's broken. At least we got a new one of those. Oh, this thing is filled with crap. Oh, we're gonna have to definitely clean all that out. Honestly, we should probably take that off and have it cleaned. Huh? No, I'm good. I ate some of that risotto. Yeah. How hard is that to take off? Like 4 bolts and a bunch of sensors. Is that right? What is it? I don't know what half this stuff goes to. I don't know. We might want to take that off and clean it up. Like hardcore clean it up. The only thing is, if I can get the sensors off without breaking them, then I will. But if I can't, then I definitely won't. See if we can get that whole thing off real quick. I'm all over the place. I'm gonna hold off on that. I'm gonna get the alternator off, and I'm gonna get the water pump off so that we can get to all the bolts for this. So we're gonna take this off, take the belt off, take that water pump off, and then we'll get it. Okay? Okay, we got the alternator off. It looks like the alternator has a rubber bushing in the mount. So we're gonna have to either, most likely we're just gonna replace the alternator because it probably needs to be replaced anyways. But we're working this bolt that broke in the thermostat housing. And see if we can get it out. It looks like I've been able to work it a little bit loose, so we'll see if we can get this out, because then that determines if we really need to pull this off or not. But I think we probably do for cleaning and prepping and getting it all looking good again. But let's see if we can get this off. It's coming. Then we'll get the water pump off next. I'm gonna do all the water side and the electrical side, and then we'll jump over here and do the rotor and cap in a little bit. We'll also take a look at the timing belt while we're in there, because if the timing belt looks bad, we might as well replace it, which involves taking everything off the front. Really don't want to do that, but I'll do it if I have to. But looks like we're able to back this out. We'll just have to order a new bolt. Probably need to order new bolts for all of them anyways. They look pretty bad. So let's get this out, and then we'll get the water pump off. Well, water pump popped off. It's a metal one. Doesn't look too bad. Does have some stuff in there that grinding away, so we'll replace that as well. Let's get this down here and see what we got. Oh yeah, that's gonna need some cleanup. When you get this has, that's inside the cooling system. They're hard as a rock, calcium buildups. So I was gonna quickly put all this stuff back together, but I am not. I'm going to give this a thorough cleaning, probably tomorrow, and get this all like wire brushed up and gasket meeting surfaces perfect, because looks like I have a paper gasket here but a rubber gasket there, which doesn't fully make sense. I don't understand that. And then I am also going to fully clean up this rack. No, I'm talking rack, the block, all these surfaces here. We're gonna clean all that up. I'm gonna get all the belts off, order my other belt that I haven't ordered, that I thought I ordered but I didn't. But I'm gonna put some of these no, I'm gonna get this gasket off here first. Ugh, this gasket is... Oh. Where'd that cat come from? Oh, that kitty cat. Okay, I'm gonna get this gasket off. I'm gonna get a razor. I'm gonna clean this up. Both of them up. Get them sprayed down and get it cleaned up. I'm gonna throw some degreaser on a bunch of stuff so we can kind of knock down a lot of this trash. Let that sit for a minute. I got everything kind of cleaned up. I'm gonna spray it down. Try to knock off a lot of this stuff. Guys, that's it for tonight. We may be back a little bit tomorrow, but for now, that is it. We have everything off. We're gonna do a lot of cleanup, a lot of scrubbing, a lot of degreasing. We're gonna paint up or powder coat some of these pieces and just do an overall cleanup while we have everything off. We're gonna pull the rotor and cap. We're gonna scrub everything, get the new alternator, new water pump, new thermostat housing. We have everything in the trunk. Just need to bring it back over once everything is clean. So if this is the end of this video, then it's the end of this video. If not, see you in a little bit. But if it is, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video.